Yan, tinitingnan ko kung masusungkit ko. Patalas kasi yung panungkit eh. Kaya, ang dating eh. Ayan, tingnan ko. Ayan, tao yan. Kasi yung mababa, per picture kami dito sa mababa. Nagagandaan ako eh. Ang ginawa ko, pati kuma. Pati masarap eh. Masarap yung pantinola. Tama niya. Ito raw.
I love your taste in books,
Ayan na.
the way you busted
Ginawa.
looks,
Ala. Hindi ko na
you're bringing this guys to the ground.
sarap yung pantinola. Eh, mapapa.
Whenever you are around,
Yan. Tingnan ko.
the way your cooking smells
Pero talagang mura pa yan. Eh, magulang. Pero
like a mother.
wala pang ginawa yun naman loob.
But when I gaze in your eyes, I recognize empty sighs.
Thank you for watching my channel, and this is Cheven TV. And wanna say goodbye. Boom!